Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. Today I'm participating in the lantern challenge that's being hosted by Kenya over at Kenya's Decor Corner. And what she has asked us to do is simply show how we style our lantern. So this video will be also about how to create a lantern if you don't have one, using all Dollar Tree items. If this is your first time come to my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V, and my channel focuses on anything that deals with ways to save money, whether that be doing projects yourself, couponing, shopping on the clearance rack, going to the Dollar Tree, thrift store, whatever. So we are a budget friendly channel over here. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and tap that bell twice so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And in the month of August, I'm uploading a video every day as part of Vlogust, where we upload a video every day in the month of August. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, I've already started so that the video won't be so long. First, you're going to need 4 frames from the Dollar Tree. Any size is fine. You can do 3 frames. You can do a triangular lantern. I seen a young lady here on YouTube do that, but I'm going to do 4. I had already created this lantern, but I took it apart so I can glue it together. Originally, I had it taped together. I wanted to make sure I wanted to leave it as a lantern, and I do. So this is the frame I'm using. I got this last year sometime from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to need 4 frames with the inserts in it. And I've already cut my foam board. That's going to be the base. I've cut it down to size already. And I've already removed these little black things that are in the frame. You just jiggle them from side to side like with some needle nose pliers, and they'll come out. So I'm going to go ahead and throw all this away since I've done that. And for the feet, I'm going to use these little gemstones that you get at the Dollar Tree that has the little pointed part at the top. So I'm just going to glue them down so they can be the base. It's part of the base of the lantern. So I'm going to glue these down, and I'll be back. So I'm back. So now I'm going to attach all the frames. Trying to see how I want it. If I want to glue it from the inside or the outside. Oh, before I do that, let me put a dab of glue in each corner of the frame so that the inserts won't come out. So I'll be back again. Okay. So I'm just forming my lantern. So I had it on the outside. So I'm just going to glue all 4 of these frames together. Flip this over. So that'll be the little feet. You're doing a project like this, go ahead and put you some painter's tape or masking tape on the frame so that when you attach the other frame, you don't have to try to hold both of them together. So I put a dab of this Duro glue that I purchased from Walmart. I'm probably the only crafter on here that don't use E6000. I don't care for it. It takes too long for it to cure. I know it's probably durable, but my experience with it, I didn't care for it. Not saying that I won't use it in the future, but right now, this is the glue that I like. So, let's see. Uh-oh. Something wrong. I glued that wrong. I should have glued it on the outside. Yep. So I should have glued it on the outside. Let's try that again. Okay. On this side. Get it all glued together and put together. Lantern, using all Dollar Tree items. You can see a little glue right there, but that's okay. I wanted, I did not want the frame to be on the inside. I wanted them to be on the outside so it can sort of look like a real lantern, in my opinion. So this is how I would style it. I would style it on my beverage bar, my hot cocoa bar, like my little owl mugs. I got 25 cents for 25 cents last year, 90% off at Dollar General. That cute. So what I've done is just added one of those clear tea light holders from the Dollar Tree and just sit that in there. Then I got this beautiful pumpkin from the Dollar Tree and just sit it there. Then I have those leaves to kind of cover it up where you can't really see the tea light holder. So I just kind of drape them in there. Okay, I had to fix my leaves, so I kind of position the leaves in there where it'll cover up that tea light. I just want you to see the pumpkin. And this is a top view. So that's it. This is how I would style my lantern. Thank you, Kenya, for allowing me to participate. Of course, you know it was fun. Anything that deals with using the items you already have is what I'm interested in. So we're just gonna lay that one right there. There we go. So this is it. This is Miss V's. This is gonna conclude this video. Thank you so much, Kenya, for hosting this challenge and allowing me to participate, even though I'm a little late, but still, this is how I would decorate my lantern. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save some money. Thank you, and have a nice day.